1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Jab cross hook. Good. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Nice. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. Good. 1, 2, 2, 3, 2. Good. Breathe. Jab cross. Cross hook cross. Back to your guard. Jab cross. Cross hook cross. Good. Again. Good power. 1, 2, 2, 3, 6. Last shot. Power cross. Good. 1, 2, 2, 3, 6. Good. 1, 2. Good. Jab cross. Cross hook. Uppercut. One more cross. Good. Boom. 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 Good. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Body 3. But now go to your left. 6, 3, 2. Good. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Slip, body. Stay low. Switch your stance. Come back up with the uppercut. Good.
Wow, that feels kind of natural.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Body 3. Up, up, up.
Sorry.
Good.
I thought I was ending on that one. Sorry.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Slip, body 3. Step. Good. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Body 3. Up. Good. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Body under. Good. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Body up. Good. Keep a good guard. Use the hips. 1, 1, 2.
Oh, sorry.
Hit this 3. Side step a little bit when you go. Squat step. Yep. One more boxing round. 1, 2. Roll under. Boom. Cross. Uppercut. Overhand. Boom. And you can throw it like this. Elbow up. Boom. Some people go like this. Some people do knuckles down. Elbow high. 1, 2. Roll. 2, 5. Overhand. Good.
It's just
Yep.
throwing it. Yeah. Got a little close to your chin on that one. It's just weird way to throw it.
1, 2. Under. 2, 5. 1, 2. Boom. 1, 2. Good. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 3 again. Knee. Hook cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 2. Good. 1, 2. Side step. Kick. Cross. Body hook. Elbow. Good. 1, 2. Side step. Kick. Cross. Body hook.
Body hook.
Elbow. Boom. 1, 2. Side step. Kick. Cross. Body hook. Elbow. Good. 1, 2, 3. Low kick. Hook.
Oh, hook.
Middle. 1, 2, 3. Kick. Hook. Middle. Cross. Middle. Nice. 1, 2. Uppercut. Kick. Good. 1, 2, 5. Cross. Good. Knee. Cross. Elbow. Good. 1, 2, 3. Up elbow. Up elbow. Horizontal. Good. Again. 1, 2, 3. Up. Horizontal. Good. 1, 2, 3. Up. Horizontal. Good. 2 more. 1, 2, 3. Up. Horizontal. Good. 1 more. 1, 2, 3. Up.
Oh,
Up.
wrong one.
Good.